Hello! In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the non-inhibitory concentration known as the NIC. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would ask you to please subscribe, like and share my videos. Now let's go straight into today's tutorial. All mathematical equations used in this tutorial were obtained from this article. Feel free to refer to this article if you need more information beyond what I would explain in this tutorial. I have placed a link to this article in the description. The NIC can be defined as the highest concentration which results in no reduction in cell viability. Using this graph, the NIC represents the concentration below which we observe no inhibition of bacterial growth. However, above this concentration, we can observe varying degrees of inhibition up to 100% inhibition. Also, a set of Gompertz functions describes the relationship between the NIC and the Y value, which is the bacterial number, X value, which is the log concentration of the compound, as well as the bottom slope span and the log concentration of the inflection point of the sigmoid curve. Let's go into Graphpad Prism and I'll show you how to estimate the NIC using the Gompertz function. Okay, so for NIC estimation, I'm going to use the same data sheet as I did for MIC. What I'm going to do is duplicate the current sheet to make an exact copy. To distinguish the two, I'm going to rename them. So the first one is MIC, the next one NIC, to make it easy to distinguish the two. So let's go ahead, analyze nonlinear regression curve fit, and we're going to create a new equation. Okay, and we're going to call it NIC Gompertz. Okay, so again, I'm going to copy my Gompertz function. So again, it's also in the description, so feel free to go copy and paste away. So let's paste, and as well on the rules for initial values with 1, 1, 1, 1, and here asterisk it's going to be value of X at Y mid, and again bottom is defined as Y minimum, and the span is Y max minus Y minimum. Again, default constraints, leave them as they are, and transforms to report should be NIC, and that is 10 raised to the power log NIC. Make sure everything is as it should be, and then hit OK. Okay, so go ahead, select your new equation and hit OK, and immediately you would get your results. Okay, let's look at the graph. Okay, so Graphpad Prism fits the curve through the points, data points, and so let's make the graph look nice, basically. So double click on the x-axis, and on the origin select custom, and again it's -4, and also on the x-axis let's change from decimal to power of 10. We can hit apply to see what we've just done. Okay, that's exactly what I want. And so let's draw the line through the NIC from the x-axis. So to do that, again, line, details, and then you want to hit this hook icon, best fit values, and select the logNIC. Hit OK, apply, let's see. Okay, I think we select a tick. I'll select the line. Okay, so now we have that line. Now, okay, so next I want to draw a line from the very top of the curve to intersect this other line. Now to get the exact value of this point here, we have to sum up the value of the bottom plus the span, which is the distance between the top and the bottom, to get the exact value. So let's go over to y-axis, since the line is going to be drawn from the y-axis. Again, click this, go to details, and let's go here, take a look at the analysis constants. Okay, so now the value of the bottom is 22.68 and that of the span is 102.2. Now if we add these two values, we should get 124.88. so we can type that directly in here, click OK, make sure we check this and hit apply to see. Yes, so we got that value exactly as we wanted it. Let's click OK. Yes, so now this very point here represents the NIC. Now let's display the logNIC and the NIC values on our graph. Let's do that again. NIC, NIC, okay, and then again click logNIC and insert. logNIC, okay. Okay, so there you have it, a graph showing the NIC.